Hey there, and welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. Today, I'll show you step by step how to turn off high contrast mode in Windows 10. This feature changes the screen colors to make things more visible, but sometimes it's enabled by accident. Let's fix that and bring your screen back to normal. Go to the Start menu. You can either click the Start icon in the bottom left corner, right-click on the Start icon to open a context menu, then click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, scroll down and click on Ease of Access. From the left-hand sidebar, select High Contrast. Now look to the right side of the screen. You'll see a switch under Turn on High Contrast. If it's on, simply click the switch to turn it off. Wait a few seconds while Windows applies the changes. Your screen will return to its standard color settings. That's it! You've successfully turned off high contrast mode in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time!